Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you enable assistive access on your iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, as you can see, this assistive access feature is for blind or the special persons to use iPhone, and it helps them to use iPhone smoothly. So guys, this feature is given in iOS 17, and here I will show you how can you turn on or turn off assistive access on your device. So for that, simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, I am exiting the assistive access on my device. So as you can see this, it is being exited on my device. So guys, wait for some seconds. So as here you can see this, the assistive access have been turned off in my device. So as here I will show you how can you turn it on or turn it off. So as first of all, open settings in your device, and from here scroll to below, and you have to find accessibility. Here it is, and now scroll it below all the way, and here you can see assistive access. So I simply tap on this, and you have to simply manage apps or select apps from here as well. So as here you can see this, there is only camera app. Here you can select the other as well. Here I am tapping on manage apps, and I am adding calls. Here you can see this, and then messages, and then my photos, and then my music as well. So as here you can see this, I have added these apps on my assistive access in my iPhone. So as here I will start assistive access on my iPhone. So as you have to simply tap on start assistive access, and you have to enter assistive access passcode for your device. So as enter the passcode, and here you will see the assistive access mode will be turned on your device. So as here you can see this, wait for some seconds, and now you can see this, the assistive access has been enabled. So that if you want to exit it, you have to simply press this button for 3 times. So I simply press the power button for 3 times, and after this you will be able to exit the assistive access easily from here. So I simply tap on exit assistive access, and it will ask for your passcode. Enter the passcode, and it will be disabled. So as in this way you can easily turn on or turn off assistive access on your iPhone. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.